Including their fighter brand, which is owned by the same parent company, Bigme has 13 devices in their lineup, and they seem to be completely impervious to any sort of delays whatsoever. They span from 7 inches all the way up to 13.3 inches and have 3 current color models using Kaleido technology. This is the Bigme Pocketnote 7-inch, not a 7.8, a 7-inch. It has 1680 by 1264 resolution, 7-inch e-ink screen, 36 LEDs, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and 32 gigs onboard storage. Bigme boxes have to be some of the nicest looking boxes we've seen in a long time. They open up kind of landscape with this very nice tapestry written in Chinese. Now their devices are in English, so don't worry about what you see on the packaging. They are primarily a Chinese company, which is why it looks like that. We'll take that out for now and put that off to the side. Let's explore the rest of the box. Reason being, this is not running a Wacom screen. This is the only unit from Bigme that actually doesn't run a Wacom screen. The capacitive pen, you have a box full of your USB cables and your user manual, and you have some replacement nibs. This box will be the same as the replacement nibs for the Wacom pen, but the tips themselves will be completely different. Hold on to that. We do sell replacement tips if you're looking for them, because we just gained distribution rights with Bigme. Inside here should be the USB cable, Usbc, and the documentation along inside with that. Now for the capacitive pen, which they call the capacitance pen, it's just another word for it. You do get a nib that comes in the canister already. You don't have to worry about that. And on the back, the unfortunate thing, much like a Kobo, Sage, Stylus, Ellipsa, Mi Book, Boyu, you do have to put a quadruple A battery in there in order to use it. Yes, a quadruple A battery. It needs to be powered. There is no micro USB or USB-C on the back, so you will need to actually power that in order to use it. This is more of an essentially bargain unit of theirs. It's not really a high-end unit. In fact, this is their most entry-level unit they sell. They even have their fighter brand Goyue or Goyu that utilizes this for their own 7-inch purposes. So you have dual speakers on the back, you have USB-C with dual microphones, so it is bringing still a lot of the fun features that Bigme is kind of known for. Good note-taking, dictation, possibilities with its dual microphone. Unfortunately, it is lacking the quad microphone up top, but this thing is really small and it's very pocket friendly, hence the name. And it certainly is a breath of fresh air aside from their increasingly huge 8-unit roster of 10.3 inch units they have. We won't go much further than the setup screen. All you have to do is just bypass all this stuff, choose your language, either simplified Chinese, traditional Chinese, or English. All of the content you sideload in here will be the respective language, if it's Farsi, if it's Arabic, if it's Portuguese, etc. This is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Bigme Pocketnote 7 with capacitive pen technology. If you guys want to stick around for the review, it is coming up soon. For now, for GoodyReader.com and an unboxing of yet another Bigme product, this is Peter.